And here we are with Jenni from Landscaper's Pride, one of my favorite dirts,
Yes.
soils. And we are here today. We're going to talk about several of them, right?
Yes, we have our top sellers here. These are our 3 tried and true staples in our line.
Great.
If you stop by a nursery or garden center in your area that sells Landscaper's Pride, almost guaranteed you're going to find one, if not all 3 of these. They are staples that you
All
need.
right. Must-haves.
Must-haves.
All right. Potting soil is the first one that we've got that we're going to open up and show.
Potting soil is a great base soil to get you started. If you're a novice gardener and you don't know what to do and you need something basic, this is your go-to. If you're an expert gardener and you want a base so that you can build and amend and play with, this is your soil.
Wow,
yes.
so
it's very
great.
compost rich.
Yes, yeah, you can feel it and I can smell it too. So that's a great one to start with or to add. And then we have Gardener's Magic.
Yes.
Now,
and
where
it is
am I going to
magic.
use? Where am I going to use this magical Gardener's Magic?
Growing veggies and herbs, whether you have raised beds or if you just have patio container gardening that you're growing veggies, if you have that patio tomato plant that you're just wanting to grow your own tomatoes at home, this is perfect for that. It's got some fresh pine, some aged compost in there that's great. It's got a naturally organic fertilizer in there that's going to give your veggies or herbs a great start. It'll feed for up to 3 months.
Now, I already have a raised veggie garden.
Yes.
Is this something I could add to it?
Absolutely. Just incorporate it into the top few inches of it and you'll be refreshed and ready to plant.
Great, I'm excited. And then we've got the famous black velvet mulch.
Yes, Landscaper's Pride exclusive product, black velvet. If you do not want black colored mulch and you're looking for an alternative, this is it.
Yes.
There's no dye, there's no colorant added to it. We take hardwood mulch, locally sourced, and we blend it with our own compost, and you can see this rich velvety texture. That's what's the breakdown process from mixing the compost with the fresh hardwood. That's what you get. And so
soft.
not only is it naturally dark in color, you've got the compost. As it breaks down in your bed, you're adding nutrients back down in there, so it's break it down. So you can't go wrong.
That's right. Oh, I love these products. This black velvet is beautiful.
Yes.
And the plants and landscaping love it.
Absolutely.
Well, thank you very much, Jenni.
Thanks,
From
Sandie.
Landscaper's Pride, and this is HomeShowGardenPros.com. And please visit us on YouTube.